Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ocean, man. Out here popping with a fresh new video. And, I'm kind of stuck now. This is more of like a call out to help. If anyone could put like a good video idea in the comments, that'd be great. Cause your boy Ocean, man, he run out of microwave. Shut up. So yeah, you know, it's your boy Ocean, man. Like, y'all know you love my saucy content, and this microwave out here getting on my nerves. So, just if you could put anything down the You know what? Give me a second. Didn't I tell you to be quiet? Microwave getting on my nerves. I gave you a chance. Didn't I give you a chance? That's what I thought.